Let me give you 5 tips on how to make your hairstyle last longer. If you're new to my channel, and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal color specialist, a makeup fan, and a skincare lover. In today's film, I will be giving you tips and tricks on making your hairstyle, your blow dry, last longer. So if you want to find out how to make your hair last longer, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film, I will be giving you my advice on making your hair last longer, which means how to make your hair last longer overnight if you want your blow dry or hairstyle last longer, if you don't want to go frizzy, etc, etc. So I came up with 5 tips on making your hairstyle last longer. So you guys, let's get right into it. Use the correct products. Now you guys, if you've watched me, you know what I'm gonna say. Products, products, products. Now, a lot of people will argue with me saying that if you're using products in your hair, that's going to make your hair greasy, make your hair flat. No. And why am I saying no? Because if you use the correct product, your hair should not go greasy or it should not go lank. If you use products that make your hair last longer or are made to give longevity out of your blow dry, then they will do this. For example, you can use something like Plea, which is one of favorites of mine. I literally swear by this product. I live by this product, and this really works like memory foam for the hair. It nearly makes the hair tacky. Also, another good one is the fluidifier from Siri Expert. Pardon me for that. And this product is especially designed for blow drying, and it will make your hair last longer and make your blow dry last longer. Now, the best way to explain about products is, think of it this way, right? You're putting on your makeup and let's say it's really hot outside and you need your makeup last for 8 hours. You're gonna prep your skin correctly to make sure your makeup lasts longer. It's not like you're just like, oh yeah, I'm gonna take a selfie, I'm just gonna put a bit of makeup on. No, you actually gonna prep your skin, so you're gonna get the longevity out of your makeup. It's same with your hair. So if you prep your hair correctly, your hair will last longer. Use a silk pillowcase at night. When it comes to silk pillowcase, that is very, very important because number one is, right, you have lovely hair, your hair looks lovely, and then you go into bed and you wake up and you just look like a scarecrow. I mean, anyone out there happen that to you? I mean, happened that to me. I don't have a silky pillowcase, but I still go on about silky pillowcase. Now, a silky pillowcase is very, very interesting. Why? Because as we all know, cotton is abrasive to the skin and to the hair, so it will make your hair static and frizzy. So if you have something like a silky pillowcase and let's say you straighten your hair the night before and you have to get up for work, silky pillowcase will keep your hair smooth and straight and it will not make your hair frizzy. Also, try to avoid tying your hair in a really tight ponytail because that will mark your hair. So like that, maybe a loose ponytail and just go to bed and your hair will be perfect the next morning. So yeah, try to avoid anything like cotton. Avoid water. Now, when I'm talking about avoiding water, I'm not telling you not to drink water because that would be inhuman. Actually drink a lot of water because it is good for your hair. What I'm on about is hot showers, rain, and sweat. Right, hear me out, you guys. So, as we all know, when the water or steam hits the hair, the hydrogen bonds are broken and hair changes its shape. That's how blow drying and styling works. Because hair is what? Weakened when it's wet, and we blow dry it into the shape and we lock those hydrogen bonds. If we go into a shower and the shower is really, really hot, even though we're not washing hair, 90% of the time you're gonna get it wet at the back of your neck. So the best thing to do is wear a shower cap. Good old shower cap. I know it might look ridiculous, but it will save your hair and protect it from water and steam. Because it's not only water that's bad for your hair, it's also steam. Now, even if you get your hair wet at the back, what's gonna happen is, if you're gonna get your hair wet at the back, let's say just around here, the hair will start going back into its natural shape. So if you have really, really frizzy hair and you get it wet at the root, that will just go frizzy at the root and then it will just continue going onto the end. So yeah, wear a shower cap if you're having a shower, or try not to have a shower that is really, really hot. That's going to create a lot of steam, because like that steam will also affect your hairstyle. Pin your hair up. Now you guys, now we're gonna talk about making your curls or your curly blow dry last longer or even last overnight. And if you're a regular viewer of mine, you're no stranger to Vanessa. So let's look at Vanessa, right? She has this lovely curl at the front of her head and she needs to go to bed. She done it very late at night because she has an early meeting in the morning and she will not be able to get up early to recurl her hair. So the best thing to do is, right, if you are in a rush in the morning and you're curling your hair or your hair just doesn't really last as long and you want it to last longer, or you want to get your hair done early and then just have it fabulous when you're leaving the house, pin it up and I'll show you what to do. So see, for example, right, you have a little curl and all you do is you'll need one of those grips, and this is like a hairdresser's 101 trick. Literally do a little pin curl and loosely pin that up. So what that will do is, right, one, it's a lot more comfortable than sleeping with rollers in your hair. Curl your hair and then pin it up. So yeah, another one, you can literally just twist that and pin it loosely. And then you can either go to bed or go about your day. So for example, get your hair done in the morning and then before you go out, literally all you do is just do that, take it out, and boom, we have a lovely curl. Like that, you could grab a bit of serum or oil, because as we all know, I'm not a fan of oil, but when it comes to making your hair last longer, oil will take out frizz and nearly create a barrier on the hair, and same as hairspray. Hairspray will create a barrier, so hairspray and oil are very good for refreshing your hair as such. Refresh your hair the next morning. This is very important. How to really refresh your style the next morning. So like that, you wore a shower cap when you went to bed, you pinned your hair, you used all the right products, but the hair is still looking a bit not so right in the morning. So I'm gonna give you a few tricks for the morning. Now, if you have flyaways, guys, this is a lifesaver. Grab a bit of hairspray, spray it on your hands, rub it through your hands and literally just put it through your hair. And that will get rid of any frizz and any flyaways. And I mean, that trick is everything. If you have curls or even smooth hair and you want to smooth it even more, grab a big paddle brush, spray hairspray on it and just smooth the hair, literally comb it through, and that will lock everything in because hairspray works as a barrier and it is sticky. So the stickiness of the hairspray will literally stick everything together so the flyaways will not budge. Also, something like a serum or an oil, as you all know, I'm not a big fan of oil or oils in general, but they're very good as a refreshing because what, they take out frizz. So literally pump a bit of oil on your hands, rub it through and just bring it through onto the ends and maybe through the flyaways, and that will refresh your hair. Now try to stay away from stuff like dry shampoo because they do nothing literally. They literally do nothing. They just create a barrier of product on top of your hair, and it's usually like talc or starch. So yeah, try to avoid it. So stay with like regular products like, let's say, hairspray and serum, and they're the best for refreshing your hair in the morning. Also, another good trick is if you want to keep your hair smooth, run a blast of cold air with your hairdryer because that will literally seal all the cuticles back down. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please take care. Bye.